All right, ladies and gentlemen, your boy Dominoes 7 is on Facebook. All right. So I am very curious about this hole right here. This been like this for almost 3 months, going on 4 months, I assume. You know, I kind of wonder when the city of New Orleans is going to fix this hole. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna say the same thing like I said on YouTube. Okay, on my YouTube live. You know, because I remember one time earlier today, a car had to go make a U-turn, go right there to there, and right here, and go down there. One car had to go all the way around there and come this way, and then one car broke the law and went down there and went that way. You know, that's a damn shame for the city to keep this hole like this. You know. So all I'm saying, y'all, I'm doing this for the citizens, okay? Here go a school bus right here, you know? I mean, this whole, I assume it been like this for 4 months, you know? So y'all gotta fix this, you know? Sewage and Water Board, please fix this hole, okay? I'm begging y'all, please fix this hole, all right? And you see the school bus right here? Uh-huh. Y'all see that school bus just came from this way. It's going that way. Y'all see that, y'all? I want the city to do something about this hole, please. Okay. Okay, because I am concerned for these people's safety. You know, I am seriously concerned for these people's safety. You understand? City of New Orleans, please do something. Okay. Here go the paramedics though. Okay. Because if it be an emergency and stuff like that, they probably go the other way or whatever, you know. Please do something with this hole, all right? I'm begging y'all, all right? All right, bye.